Were you blowing kisses? Silly. What do you got? Where's the ball? Go get the ball. What's that? Oh, thank you. Some grass. Thank you. You have some milk or some water? Or some Cheerios? Yeah. Do you need me to help you open it? Let's see. Oh, there's one. You were trying to get that one? There. Oh. There you go. So we're sitting in a park, right? In Vancouver? Yeah. It's a gorgeous day. Declan waves at everybody now. Oh, don't choke on him. Don't choke on him. Are you gonna go get your ball? Declan, where's your ball? Where's the ball? Well, I can see this video has turned out to be very exciting. Not so much. Yeah, you see a puppy? There's the puppy. Go get your ball, Declan. Okay. The excitement is mounting. Bye.